Hi, welcome back to Physics Teacher. This is question 7b from the Euclid contest in 2021. It's a grade 12 math contest from Waterloo University. Give it a try and I'll be right back with the solution. Alright, so we want to find when this f of g of sine theta is going to equal 0. So first let's look at f of a. When will this function equal 0? Or for what value of a will this equal 0? So f of a will equal 0 when 2a squared minus 3a plus 1 equals 0. So we need to factor this, and when we do, we get a minus 1 and 2a minus 1. So we have two possible values for a. A can be 1, or a can equal a half. So this tells us when this function here, g sine of theta, is equal to either 1 or a half, this whole composite function will equal 0. So let's look then at what values of b would make that whole function 0. So g of b must then equal to 1, or g of b must be equal to 1/2 in order for this composite function to be equal to 0. Alright, so this means that the log in base a half of b is equal to 1, or the log in base 1/2 of b is equal to a half. So if we solve this, we get b equal to 1/2 to the exponent of 1, which is just a half. Or in this case, we get b is equal to 1/2 to the exponent of 1/2, which is 1 over root 2. So what this means is that if sine theta is equal to either 1/2 or 1 over root 2, this composite function will be 0. So for sine theta to either equal 1/2 or 1 over root 2, that is going to happen in this domain. If you remember your special angles, it will happen when theta is either 1/6 pi, 5/6 pi, or 1/4 pi, or 3/4 pi. If you're checking those on your calculator, make sure it's in radians. And that's it. These are the values of theta for which this composite function will be equal to 0.